Ever find yourself pondering over the idea of investing in rental properties? It's a question that has crossed many minds. The allure of generating passive income and securing long-term wealth accumulation is indeed enticing. But how, you might ask, does one venture into this promising yet complex world of rental property investment? Well, the good news is it's not as daunting as it may seem. With a strategic approach and a keen eye for detail, you can navigate this landscape successfully. The benefits of rental property investment stretch far and wide, from providing a steady stream of income to acting as a safety net against market instability. Picture this, a future where you're not just surviving, but thriving, all thanks to the power of rental property investment. Sounds exciting, doesn't it? So roll up your sleeves and get ready to embark on this journey of financial growth and stability. Stay tuned as we break down the process into 10 easy steps. First things first, you need to determine what you hope to achieve with your rental property. This step is crucial, as every decision you make in this process should be informed by your ultimate objective. Perhaps you're looking for a steady stream of passive income to supplement your day job, or maybe you're after long-term wealth accumulation, seeing the property as an investment that will appreciate over time. You might even have a blend of these goals, hoping to earn some income now while also building a nest egg for the future. Whatever your goals may be, it's important to define them clearly. They will guide your investment strategy, helping you choose the right location, set a realistic budget, and pick a property that aligns with your expectations. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach in real estate investment. Each investor has unique objectives. With a clear goal in sight, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now, it's time to explore potential locations for your property. In the world of real estate, the mantra location, location, location holds true. It's the cornerstone of successful property investment. The right location can make the difference between a property that's a cash cow and one that's a financial drain. Consider the rental demand in the area. Are there universities, hospitals, or businesses nearby that attract a steady flow of renters? What about amenities? Parks, schools, shopping, and public transportation can all make a location more desirable to potential tenants. Then there's the potential for appreciation. While real estate can be a great source of immediate rental income, the long-term wealth comes from the property's increase in value over time. Look for areas that are on the upswing, perhaps because of economic development or population growth. Remember, real estate is a long-term investment, so choose a location that will hold its appeal for years to come. With the right location, you're already halfway there. Once you've found potential locations, it's time to talk numbers. The prospect of buying a rental property is exciting, but it's crucial not to let that excitement cloud your judgment when it comes to financial planning. Think of your budget as the blueprint for your investment journey. First, consider the down payment. This is usually a percentage of the property's total cost, and it's a significant upfront expense. Then there are closing costs. These include fees for inspections, appraisals, and legal work. They can add up quickly and should be factored into your initial budget. Then there are ongoing costs. Maintenance and repairs are inevitable. It's wise to set aside funds for unforeseen expenses. And let's not forget potential vacancies. There will be times when your property might not be rented out, and you need to be prepared to cover costs during these periods. Every dollar counts in real estate investment. A well-planned budget is a stepping stone to successful property investment. With your budget set, it's time to find your ideal property. This is where the real fun begins. There are various avenues you can explore to locate properties that suit your criteria and budget. One of the most popular methods is utilizing real estate websites. These platforms offer extensive databases that allow you to filter properties based on location, price, type, and more. It's like having a digital real estate agent at your fingertips. Speaking of real estate agents, they are another excellent resource. Their expertise and local knowledge can be invaluable, especially if you're venturing into unfamiliar territories. They can guide you through the process and even negotiate on your behalf. Auctions can also be a treasure trove of potential properties. These events often feature properties that you might not find through traditional channels. Just remember to stick to your budget and not get carried away by the bidding process. With the right property, you're one step closer to becoming a rental property owner. Found a property you like? Let's evaluate its potential returns. This is the step where we put our calculators to work and crunch some numbers. Start with estimating the potential rental income. look at similar properties in the area and what they are renting for. Then subtract any expenses you'll have, like property taxes, insurance, and maintenance costs. Next, consider the net operating income. This is your rental income minus operating expenses, not including any mortgage payments. A positive net operating income indicates the property can generate income even after expenses. Finally, calculate the capitalization rate, or cap rate. Divide the net operating income by the property's purchase price to get this figure. The cap rate can give you a good idea of the potential return on your investment. Don't forget the cash-on-cash return, which is the annual income over the amount of money actually invested. Evaluating potential returns helps ensure your investment is worthwhile. Next, it's crucial to inspect the property thoroughly. You see, even the most promising rental property can hide secrets that only a professional inspection can uncover. It's not just about looking at the surface, but it's about delving into the nitty-gritty details of the property's condition. Think of it as a physical checkup for your potential investment. An inspector will assess the property's structure from the roof right down to the foundations. They'll also look at systems like plumbing, electrical, and heating to ensure everything is in working order. The goal is to identify any potential repair costs that could eat into your rental profits. This is not a step to skip or skimp on. The cost of a professional inspection could save you from unexpected expenses down the line. Remember, knowledge is power, and a detailed inspection gives you the knowledge to make an informed decision about your investment. A thorough inspection can save you from future headaches. With the inspection done, it's time to negotiate the purchase. This phase is crucial as it determines the terms of your investment. Making an offer might seem daunting, but remember, it's not just about the price. Your offer is a package of terms that includes the price, financing, and contingencies. When it comes to the price, base it on your research and the property's condition. Don't shy away from making a lower offer if the property needs significant repairs. In terms of financing, ensure it aligns with your budget and long-term financial goals. Are you going for a traditional mortgage, seller financing, or a different route? Contingencies are your safety net. These are conditions that must be met for the transaction to go through. Common ones include financing and inspection contingencies, which ensure you get the mortgage and that the property is in the promised condition. Successful negotiation is key to securing a good deal. It's a delicate dance, but with the right moves, you'll be one step closer to becoming a rental property owner. Once you've negotiated the purchase, it's time to secure your financing. Finalizing your mortgage or other financing options is a critical step that ensures you have the necessary funds to purchase the property. Whether you've been pre-approved for a mortgage or you're exploring other financing options, it's essential to have a concrete plan in place. If you're going the mortgage route, you'll need to gather all the necessary documents, like proof of income and credit reports, for the application process. Remember, it's important to shop around for the best interest rates and terms. Alternatively, you might be considering other financing options like hard money loans, private money loans, or even seller financing. Each of these options has its own pros and cons, and it's crucial to do your homework to understand which one is the best fit for your situation. With financing in place, you're almost there. Now it's time to close the deal. After all the legwork, calculations, negotiations, and inspections, you're finally at the finish line. But remember, it's not over until the paperwork is signed and the keys are in your hands. So let's walk through this important step. You've secured your financing, your offer has been accepted, and now it's time to sign the purchase agreement. This legally binding document outlines the terms of the sale, including the price, contingencies, and closing date. Next, you'll sign the mortgage documents. These outline your loan terms, interest rate, monthly payment, and other important details. Then, it's time to pay the closing costs. These vary, but generally include fees for the loan origination, title search, appraisal, and home inspection. And with that last signature, you've crossed the finish line. The property is now officially yours. Congratulations, you're now a rental property owner. Once you've acquired the property, the work doesn't stop there. In fact, this is where a new chapter begins: property management. This is the stage where you ensure your investment remains profitable and well-maintained. It's essential to oversee the rental process, which includes finding reliable tenants, setting a fair and competitive rent, and handling lease agreements. Regular maintenance is also crucial to keep the property in top shape and prevent costly repairs down the line. This includes routine checks, dealing with repairs, and ensuring the property meets safety standards. Tenant relations is another key aspect of property management. You'll need to address tenant concerns promptly, resolve disputes, and ensure your tenants are content. This can significantly reduce tenant turnover and vacancies. For those who prefer a more hands-off approach, consider hiring a property management company. They can handle these tasks for you, allowing you to enjoy the benefits of your investment without the day-to-day hassles. Effective property management is the secret to a profitable rental property. So, there you have it, your 10-step guide to buying a rental property. We've journeyed through the roadmap of rental property investment, from defining your goals to managing your asset. Remember, the first step is having a clear vision of what you want to achieve. Then, you'll need to conduct thorough research on potential locations that match your goals and budget. Don't forget the importance of setting a realistic budget, finding the right property, and evaluating potential returns. It's essential to inspect the property carefully and negotiate the best deal possible. Once you've secured your financing, you'll be ready to close the deal and start managing your new investment. The world of rental property investment is filled with opportunities for passive income and long-term wealth accumulation. With the right approach and a bit of diligence, you can unlock the potential that lies within this lucrative realm. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content.